Hi, hello, welcome everyone to another exciting video. Today, we are going to review each and every truth and facts about keto diet. What does really mean keto diet? Why to follow keto diet? What makes keto diet so popular among Western countries as well as all over the world? Is keto diet really works for everyone? If yes, what is the best keto diet program in the market? What are the advantages of keto diet? And as well as some disadvantages of having keto diet too? Is keto diet advisable for a diabetes patient? Then which keto diet program is best in the market? And also I personally follow those program to give a best review for the Panda viewers. So what that best product? Can a beginner use custom keto diet? So many questions are flooded in your mind. Don't worry, we will discuss each and everything in this video and stay tuned for the wonderful surprises are waiting to receive you at the end. So without delay, let's get started. First of all, I am going to reveal the best product in the market. I think that everyone somehow knows it. It's nothing but custom keto diet. Yes. Unlike other custom keto diet reviews on the internet, I'm not here to scare you with some shocking survey results or statistics. A year ago, I've gone through all these reviews on Google to find whether the custom keto diet program works or not. There are many fake reviews by people who never even know what really inside the program. So, I decided to come forward with the study that covers all pros and cons of Rachel Roberts' custom keto diet program. So it would be my honest opinion that reading the custom keto diet review till the end without missing any points will give you clarification about the custom keto diet ebook. So let's get going with the custom keto diet review. So we'll start with that. What is the keto diet and what does it mean? The keto diet is characterized by a low carbohydrate and high fat intake. The goal is to consume more protein and fat calories while consuming fewer carbohydrates. Sugar, soda, pastries, and white bread are among the carbs that are easiest to digest. It is gaining popularity due to its possible weight loss and blood sugar control effects. And now we'll look at how a personalized diet works. What made this program stand out from the rest of the keto diet programs? Let's see. What are the benefits of a ketogenic diet? The keto diet may provide additional health benefits in addition to weight loss. Here is a comprehensive summary of the different health benefits of following a keto diet. 1. Weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight, a ketogenic diet may help you lose weight more quickly than other diets in the first 3 to 6 months. 2. Preventing cancer. Our bodies either utilize sugar as an energy source or store surplus sugar for future energy production. Insulin, a hormone, aids our bodies in this process. 3. Heart health. Despite being a high-fat diet, the keto diet has been shown to increase good cholesterol levels while lowering bad cholesterol levels. 4. Skin rejuvenation. Low carbohydrate intake is directly linked to reduced inflammation in the body. Our skin's redness begins to fade as inflammation decreases. 5. Diabetic complications. Low-carb diets have been shown to help decrease blood sugar levels more than any other diet. When you follow a keto diet, your body burns stored fat for energy, which results in the formation of ketones. 6. Promotes nervous system health. Your body produces ketones when you follow a ketogenic diet. Ketones are also thought to protect brain cells from harm, according to numerous experts. 7. Improving exercise performance. Many athletes use this high-fat, low-carb diet to improve their performance. Low-carb diets can help you improve your physical activity levels. Now I hope you got an idea of what is meant by keto diet. Now let's see the best in the market custom keto diet. what it delivers. So, let's start with a sales page and see what they promise to deliver and how it will benefit us. The writer begins with, what should you eat to lose weight and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods? And the author claimed that no matter who we are, if we follow this strategy, we would lose weight. This is a list of the 4 most common diet mistakes that harm your health and slow fat loss. Mistake number 1. Not being in a calorie deficit. Some experts claim that losing weight and keeping it off is all about regulating what you eat. Mistake number 2.